Here are some of the tips that will help you connect with your next employer. So number one, today's world networks are highly democratized. You are a member of Life Class, so already I can guarantee that you can reach through to people studying at the world's leading universities or working at the leading companies. First, write them your target person an email. Keep the email super simple. It should be visible on a mobile screen like this. Most people are now using email on phone. Make a human connection. I will also give you literally a blurb that you can copy, paste, and tweak it to your situation. So just bear with me for a minute. Always ask for an insight, never for a job. This is too early to be asking for a job. Remember, our goal is to get to know them and make sure that they acknowledge that we exist. Then make your ask a question. Always ask questions, especially if it's an insight, somebody who's already at that company, they probably know a thing or two about that industry, about that function. So it's always good. Be sincere. Please make sure you have an email signature that has your phone number and your email ID. A lot of people don't do this. And I, as an employer, I liked somebody's email. I wanted to contact them, but there was no information. And you know what? You go on to the next person who's equally qualified but has that information. So don't miss out on that. Okay, so what is it that we are trying to do here? What is our goal? Our goal is number one, to get a referral. Number two, to get the interview call. The best way to get ultimately, one thing is for sure, nobody is going to give you a job without an interview. So interview is like the main hurdle to clear. But in order to get the interview, you can go online or you can get a referral. So we are telling you the smart way. Use LinkedIn. If you're not already on LinkedIn, please make sure you're on LinkedIn. Watch my other video on how to get started on LinkedIn. Even in LinkedIn, don't randomly start adding people. It doesn't make sense. So please, there is a little brief. You can actually write a message why you want to connect to somebody. There's a 299 character limit. So write the small brief. In number two, if you study their profile, you'll be able to identify some common areas of similarities, something that they are also interested in, let's say product management, you're also interested in product management. Maybe they are affiliated to, let's say, Toastmasters Club or the same university or even the same city, who knows, before they went on abroad or went on to other places, talk about that. And see if you can mention something they care about. Some people write about causes, Nirman, NGOs, other things that they care about. So see if you can identify them. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back with more content soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.